Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to send iMessage on your iPhone or iPad device and you are not able to send iMessage on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you will have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then the first thing you will have to make sure that the strong internet connectivity. So here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you'll have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, then here you'll have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting, then here tap on your Apple profile. So after that, here you will have type on sign in and security on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you can see that here is your Gmail account. Here make sure that you have verify your Gmail address, and here you will have to enter your mobile phone number by tapping on here. Then here you will have to add a mobile phone number. Then after that, you will have to verify your mobile phone number. Then after that, go back. Then here you will have to again open setting. So after that, here you will have to scroll it down, and here you will have to search for iMessage app. So here you will have to tap on apps. So after that, here you will have to search for iMessage. So here I'm going to search for iMessage. So here's message, you will have to tap on this. So here you can see that his option of iMessage. Here you will have to disable this from here. Then after that, here you will have to again enable this from here. Then after that, here you will have to tap on send and receive, and from here you will have to make sure that you are verify your mobile phone number. Then here, if you are still not able to send iMessage, then here you can use your Apple account for iMessage. Here you can select your Apple account by enter here your Apple ID. So after that, here you will have to go back, then again try to send iMessage and check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here again open setting, then search for iMessage, then tap on iMessage. Then after that, scroll down, and here you can see that here's option of iMessage apps. Here make sure that these toggles should be turned on from here. Then go back, and here's the option of shared with you. Here make sure that this toggle should be turned on, and here is the option of show contact photos, turn on this, and here also turn on all these toggle from here, and make sure that here the block contact is empty from here. Then after that, try to send iMessage and check their problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then tap on general. Then here you will have to make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct, and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then after, go back, again open setting, then tap on general, then tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. So after that, here you will have to close this tab. Then here you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send iMessage on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching this video.